Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, pupunta kami sa Hoi An. Parang traditional village yun guys. So samahan nyo kami. See ya! Pero check nyo muna guys yung outfit ko. Naka-Hoi Ai Day ako guys. Ngayon traditional dress ng Vietnam. Pangalawang beses ko na itong sinuot. Sinuot ko na to sa Ho Chi Minh Ayan guys. Kasi bagay-bagay yung dress ko na to guys. Doon kasi nga traditional village yun. So, nagganito na ako. Samahan nyo kami guys. See ya! Kami nagtumunso na. Nagano na, nagsusukat na yung binang kong ilaw.
Huh? Me?
Nice.
I don't want one.
Ang gaganda dito.
Where when Jen starts in 100.
Are ko, ano ba na?
I don't even know what 100 is.
100, this is like ano? Oh, wait, what is that? It's a frog? Wow, look at it, it's a frog.
No papa, no papa, okay? Number two.
Did you find your mom, babe?
Mama,
Did you broke it?
I love it.
I cannot help you anymore.
Charlie, I
Sorry.
like
You broke it? You broke it?
You can play with my.
No, be careful, guys. Diyos ko guys, kung gusto nyo talaga dito na, dito talaga maganda sa Hoi An pala talaga, ang mga night market. Kung gusto nyo talaga lahat ng fakes bags, nandito lahat. Ang gaganda. Pero maano mo naman talaga ang quality niya na totally. Pero fakes kasi sa, ano niya, sa quality. Makikita mo naman. Grabe oh, ayan oh, ganda oh, di ba? Kung gusto talaga ng fake bags. Hindi ako bumili ng fake bags kasi ang kadwari ko sa sarili ko, kung bibili ako ng fake bags, bili ko na lang ng Coach. Pareho lang naman din ang presyo. Coach, at least sa quality, matibay. Coach or MK bags, mas gusto ko pa yung mga ganyan. Ano, the riverside for the boating, you know.
I want water.
Everything's here, guys.
I want water. Here. I'll give you water. I want water.
Okay, hold on lang.
No, you buy anything. No more.
What about that? Ang pangit lang dito, pag, for example, nagtanong ka, tapos hindi mo binili yung item, nagagalit sila sa'yo. Mararamdaman, kahit hindi mo maintindihan yung language nila, nagagalit sila. Kaya sabi ko parang huwag na lang talaga magtanong, magtingin-tingin na lang, alam mo yung ganun. Pero ang ginagawa ko kasi, sasabihin ko lang na, magtatanong lang, mag-ikot-ikot. Meron namang ganun, meron naman silang ganun na, oh sige, okay lang na tingin-tingin lang, pero may iba galit. So guys, mag-dinner kami muna bago kami magalagala dito. Yeah. It's nice. po. Thank you. Gutom po kaming lahat. Come on, guys.
Maria, very next time.
Charlie, come on, hold my hand. Where's Maria? Ang ganda rito guys, Cobra.
Well, you're not that good.
Sobrang ganda oh. I think this is the nice doing the partying, babe.
Hey, you get on the fifth round here.
Mama, wait.
Yeah, hold my hands then. Many people. Hold my hands.
Look at my shirt. You wouldn't broke it.
Told you. Ang ganda oh. Ang daming tao kasi wow, tourist area kasi dito. Grabe oh.
Wow, the flying one, Mama.
Ang laki nito guys, kung sa ano lang talaga. Ang haba nito. Puro siya lantern. No, no, Charlie, you're not enough now. Enough. Ay, come on. Enough. No, enough. No. No, thank you. No, thank you. Let's go. No, love, you're enough now. Wait. Dito pala talagang maganda oh. Ayaw pa nila kasi daw malayo. For ano lang naman, 35 minutes lang naman. Ganda oh. Ito yung the best recommendation guide dito sa Hoi An. Napakaganda, mag-enjoy kayo sa lantern. Sobra. Tsaka makapag-boating kayo. Magbo-boating kami ngayon. At ang daming restaurant oh. Ang daming choices. Dito maglakad-lakad ka lang oh. Kaya sabi ng Bien ko, good choice daw. Eh, sinabi ko, may nag-recommend kasi sa akin yung friend ko na dito daw maganda sa Hoi An. Kaya puntahan daw namin. Okay naman. Ganda niya. Guys, hindi ko napansin yung nakausap pala ng mother-in-law ko is malaking boat pala yung kinuha. So, ang gusto lang namin yung nasa bangka, yung bangka lang, yung nagsasagwan lang. Eh ito, kaya quiet na ako dyan guys kasi yung bangkang sinasakyan namin tagilid. Yung hindi siya balance, kaya hindi na ako nagsasalita dyan. Kaya sabi ni Mario, mami, hindi tayo balance. Kaya nakakatakot. Kaya, alam mo yung, hindi na talaga ako nagsalita dyan guys kasi nung umaandar talaga, kami yung dito sa side na to, nakaangat. Tapos sa side nung, sa father-in-law ko tsaka kay Wayne, is pababa. Kaya para sabi ko, ba't tagilid? Natatakot talaga ako. Ito yung sa story ako before sa video ko. Doon sa video ko guys na sabi ko sa iyo na natatakot ako kasi nakatagilid ito. Wala naman ako experience sa paglubog ng bangka pero natatakot ako na lumubog at tumagilid. Alam mo yon? Kaya may part 2 ito guys. Bumalik din kami dito ulit sa Hoi An kasi nga hindi ko talaga na-enjoy itong boating namin. Kasi usually pag Hoi An ang na pinuntahan nyo guys is yung sinasagwan lang talaga na bangka na maliit. Na sinasagwan lang talaga. So, may enjoy mo yung moment ng mga lanterns. Ito kasi parang speedboat na mabilis. So, ang dilim-dilim. Yeah, nag-enjoy naman kasi nga, nag-arounds kami na umiikot kami sa buong Hoi An. Pero guys, paano ka mag-enjoy ko yung bangka? Nakatagilid. Kita nyo yun guys, nakatagilid kami, nakaangat. Kaya ako talaga quiet na dyan. May moment pa nga dyan na namura ako kasi nga, nung maglalapag na kami ng mga namin, yung lantern, nagpuntahan sila lahat sa iisang lugar na lulubog. Sumigaw nga yung driver na hindi, lulubog tayo. Alam mo yung ganun? So, lulubog talaga pag pumunta ka sa isang side. Iba na yung mukha ko dyan guys, nakikita nyo. Kasi word na talaga ako dyan, iba na talaga yung mukha ko niyan, hindi na maipinta. So tinatry kong maging cool, pero hindi eh. It's dessert. If you put in your mouth, they smoke.
I want strawberry.
Yeah, thank you. So you all got any smaller notes?
I want two. Very cool.
You give me 500 for the taxi, didn't you?
What will happen if I eat it?
Yeah, that's it. That's a 50. No, that's 500. Sorry. I would have seen it before you handed it over. Yeah.
Now put in your mouth. I want to see it, Maria.
I want to see what happens. Strawberry. Oh, that's cool.
Now put in your mouth and show to Brenda then.
I want to be cold ice.
Charlie first, Charlie.
Put it in your mouth.
It's okay, it's cold.
I did it.
Cầm luôn đi em.
How is it? I'll do it then.
Mom, can you hold the cup?
Ask Daddy, I have my...
Dry ice.
Be careful the stick, huh?
Wait, open it.
That's
Open it, Jane.
Yeah, right. So,
Do it, Marie, dali na. I want the smoke.
Dad! Dad, hold it, hold it!
I'll put some dry ice on your back.
Hurry up!
I'll put some dry ice down on your shirt.
Ayan. Bye-bye.
Let's put it in your hand.
You like it? Do you like it? It's looking like grandma now.